Good morning. How are you today? I hope you're keeping safe and doing all the good things, practicing your notes at home, and taking care of mom and dad, doing some house chores, and just being the superstar that you are. Today's lesson is going to be about advert analysis. So we're going to look at some adverts and analyze them. So let's get into it. Now, I know a lot of you know about this drink. This is called Monster. It is a very high in caffeine drink. That means it has a lot of caffeine in it, which gives you a lot of energy. And that's why it's an energy drink. Now, let's look at what the bottle says. Firstly, it has an M letter, which stands for Monster. And it's written in green and it looks really, really scary. And it says, release the monster within. So, let's analyze this advert now. Okay. The first question that you need to ask yourself when analyzing an advert is, what words are used to sell this product? Now, on the advert, we saw that it says, release the monster within. So, someone would want to buy this product because maybe it makes them become a monster and they'd like to become a monster. Or maybe it makes them so strong that they can fight any monster that comes their way. So that is how they would make you want to buy the product, by saying, release the monster within. You're so strong, we're going to release all the powers that you have inside of you. Now let's see, what does this drink do to you? As I said, this is an energy drink, so that's why they say, release this fast monster in you. Is this advert effective? Would you want to buy this drink? Does it make you want to buy the drink? Does it make you want to drink the drink? How does this advert make you feel about the product? That's what it's asking you. So, I would like you to think about these things. And on Friday, when I give you a quiz, I'm going to ask you a few questions about the advert. And you're going to tell me how you feel about the advert. So, let's look at the next one. The next one says, sunflower goodness for all the family. Then it says Flora Buttery. So this is a Flora advert. I want you to look at the pictures. It looks like a happy family. The boy is playing with his dog. Mom and dad are talking to each other. And it looks like a very happy picture. So let's analyze this advert now. What words are used to sell this product? The words that they are using are sunflower goodness for all the family. So if your parents see this advert, they'll say, wow, Flora has sunflowers in it. That's some good oils for our family. Also, they would say, it's for all the family. So that means that mom can have it, dad can have it, your baby brother can have it, and even your grandmother. So it's good for everyone in the family. What does this butter do to you? As you can see, the boy is very fit and healthy. He's playing with his dog in the picture. It makes mom and dad happy. They're smiling. And the butter has a lot of good nutrition in it for your family. Is this advert effective? Does it make you want to buy the product, or does it not make you want to buy the product? So those are the questions that you would ask yourself when you're looking at an advert and analyzing an advert. Now let's look at this last advert. This one's a very funny one. It says, picks up 5 times more women than a Lamborghini. So this here is like a kind of a taxi. It's a minibus vehicle or a taxi vehicle. And it says that it picks up 5 times more women than a Lamborghini? Firstly, that means it's bigger, so it can fit more people into the vehicle. Also, maybe it's a better car than a Lamborghini, and that's why more people would like to go into the vehicle. So, let's analyze the advert now. It says, what words are being used to sell this product? The words that are being used are picked up 5 times more women than a Lamborghini. The next question that they would ask is, what does this car do to you? Does it make you want to buy the car, or does it not want to make you buy the car? And the last question is this advert effective? Do you think someone would want to buy the car or not? Now, the next thing that I want you to think about is, when we go back to the adverts, let's look at the first Monster advert. What audience do you think would want to buy this product? So my question to you to think about is, what kind of people do you think would be interested in buying this product? Would it be young children? Would it be a teenager? Would it be someone that's studying in university? Or would it be a really old person or even a parent? Who would want to buy this product? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to think about that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I hope you've got your answer. Now I'm going to tell you what's the answer and check if it's correct, okay? So, the person who would be interested in buying this product is someone who is in university, a person who is studying or working, or someone who needs a lot of energy to concentrate with their work. Let's look at the next one. What audience do you think the Flora advert interests? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to think about it. Would it be children, parents, or grandparents? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. I hope you have your answer in your head. So the answer for this would be that it would interest parents, because parents want to buy it for their family, and they will look for the best nutrition that the product will have for their family. And lastly, let's look at the next one. What is the audience target for this advert? Is it men? Is it women? Is it children? Is it an old grandfather or an old grandmother? Who would want to buy this product if they were to see the advert? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope you have your answer in your head. The answer would be an adult male would really like to buy this car because he'd like to have a lot of friends coming into his car and be a very popular guy amongst all his friends. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I look forward to analyzing more adverts when we get back to school. The next time you see an advert on TV or in the newspaper, I'd like you to think about these 3 questions and see how effective the advert really is, if it is effective or not effective. And I'm really excited to hear your comments when we get back to school. Lots of love. Bye.